Depending on your age, your body is made up of approximately 50 to 86% water. For the average young adult, the body is about 73% water. So how much water you drink every day is critical to many of your normal bodily functions. For athletes and active people, hydration, as you know, is a critical part of performance and recovery. But here's what's crazy. When you start exercising, your body creates heat, increasing your core temperature. And in response, your body starts sweating to cool your body. But the cooling effect comes at a cost. As you lose your overall body water from sweating, your blood volume actually decreases. This reduction in blood volume results in less delivery of nutrients and oxygen to your working muscles, which greatly affects your performance. And if you start training or competing in a hypohydrated state, which is a reduction of total body water, then you have an even greater reduction in blood volume. So even small losses of total body water, approximately 1 or 2% of your body weight, can result in a decreased performance. So make sure you stay hydrated and make sure you recover at least 150% of your total body water loss after exercise. Now, if you want proven recovery techniques, you can head over to cellsauce.com/RB and grab the recovery blueprint. It's totally free. These are all the same tips, methods, and techniques I use for the professional athletes I work with to help them recover faster and avoid injury and perform better. So check it out. Head over to cellsauce.com/RB. Grab the totally free recovery blueprint.